Get started and get your walk on with the T7643 heavy-duty walking treadmill. Walking can improve body weight, strengthen muscles, bones, and much more. Solid frame design is built to handle weights up to 350 pounds. Big treadmill deck gives the freedom to walk naturally. Integrated shock-absorbing bumpers will lighten the impact on the joints with every step. Powerful motor allows you to walk or jog up to 6 miles per hour. The big button controls are designed to make adjustments quickly and easy to read. Backlit digital monitor will track your progress. Stay connected with the big integrated tablet holder. Convenient transportation wheels and foldability for simple storage. Start burning big calories and receiving big fitness results.